Cheers.
Bon appetit. Indian pizza.
Namaste.
Mine's super spicy.
I know.
Mine's like ridiculously spicy.
I smell it from here.
What's up everyone, this is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere, coming at you from my hometown, Miami, Florida, with my wife Anna.
Hi everybody.
Babe, what are we doing today?
Indian pizza.
If you guys didn't know, in India they make pizzas, and today I'm making two of my own creations, butter chicken curry pizza and super spicy chicken curry pizza. I can't wait for the spicy one. I'm probably gonna eat all of that myself. And today we're gonna make our pizzas with a unique product from Capt'n Cook. It's called the Oven Plus Salamander Grill, a virtually smokeless grill that has two different things. So on the bottom it has a salamander grill to cook meats. On the top it has a pizza brick or a pizza stone.
You just take the pizza and you drop it on the stone, and then when it's done you take it out with this, which it also came with.
Exactly. And because it's virtually smokeless, you can put it indoors, outdoors. It runs on a propane tank and it cooks everything evenly, so you'll have no cold spots.
Yeah, it's not raining right now, so I think we could definitely cook outside. But if it was raining, we could just as easily cook indoors, because there's like no smoke that comes out of it.
So you ready to make some pizzas?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm really hungry. So we have a granite countertop, which makes it easy to like roll a pizza out on it. But if you didn't, you could probably use like a butcher block type cutting board, or a good big plastic cutting board that you flour really well, which we're gonna flour up this now anyways, so keep it from sticking. So this is just regular all-purpose white flour. I'm gonna sprinkle some on the countertop like this, and on my hands too, so, and on the rolling pin. This is what's gonna not let the pizza stick, hopefully. My hands are full of flour, and we're gonna grab the pizza dough, and you can see it's super sticky, and we're just gonna drop it right here. Put a little bit of flour on it. It feels kind of like a nice soft pillow. And now I'm gonna start rolling it out. So anytime you I feel like it getting too sticky, you should add more flour, but I think we got plenty. And this particular dough, we bought at the supermarket, but you can buy dough from like a pizza place too. They'll probably sell it to you. I think it's starting to take the shape that I want, which is like about 12 inches. So now it's toppings time. This is the tomato sauce. Pour a little bit in the middle and go like this. I don't want to put too much because the chicken already is kind of saucy. So this is like fusion. Italian, American, Indian, and a little bit of David. So this is the chicken curry that David loves so much. We got it at our favorite Indian local restaurant, Bollywood Masala, that hooks us up with literally everything we want. It's pretty saucy, so does that look good? If I make it too chunky, it might fall apart. So this is just regular shredded mozzarella cheese, and I'm gonna put it on top. And this is what's gonna make it gooey. And I've never had Indian food like this. I like my pizza really cheesy because you gotta have that cheese pool situation, or else like what's the point? These are serrano chilies, so they're pretty spicy, so I'm sure David will enjoy. So since the grill only has one pizza stone and we can cook only one pizza at a time, we're going to put this one, we're gonna cook this one first. So I just turned it on and I'm gonna flour the pizza stone a little bit, okay? And this has to get to 450 degrees. It's a little sticky, so I have to use a spatula to move it off. Doesn't really...
Yeah, it's our first time. We didn't really know exactly how to do it like this. We didn't think it was gonna get so sticky. Pizza, it's still there though. It's still good.
So the pizza's on. My hands are a mess. I'm gonna close it, and we have to get it to 450 degrees.
Once it gets up to 450 degrees, it's gonna cook in roughly 6 to 8 minutes. And what you have to do is you have to wait right here, right? Because it gets to 500 Fahrenheit roughly in 15 minutes. So I gotta wait. As soon as I see it's 450, I lower the heat and I let it cook for 8 more minutes. If you want a little crispier, maybe 9 minutes.
It's kind of fun. It's like I'm a chef, but I'm not a pizza chef, but I am.
So it's almost at 450, so I'm gonna lower it a little bit. And the amazing thing is there's no flare-ups, there's no smoke, so it's a lot safer than a barbecue.
Okay, I'm gonna check it. Not as round as I would like, but it sure smells good. It's been 8 minutes, so let's check it. Woo. I think it's ready to come out.
So unfortunately, our first pizza didn't come out as planned. It got stuck, so it got really stuck. So this is what happened. I think we just didn't put enough flour. It said to put a lot of flour on this and on the stone, right? So this time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna some more flour, right? And then roll it. I'm literally gonna use all the flour. I don't want this to stick again. Okay, here we go. Get the perfect round shape. All right, you guys are my witness. I'm gonna put a lot of flour here, like literally the whole thing. And then try to get this all on. So I'm gonna build it here, right? It's gonna be a lot easier. So for this one, we're not gonna use any tomato sauce because it's butter chicken, which already has tomato sauce on it. Here we have the butter chicken. Just gonna spread out. If you really wanted to, you know, make the chicken spread out even more, I would say dice it up more because these toppings are big. Nice. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Last thing, let's just put lots of tomato sauce everywhere. Try to keep it more center, not too much on the crust because you want a nice fluffy crust. This pizza's easy. Butter chicken curry, dough, and then lots of cheese.
So, last time we didn't follow the Oven Plus instructions. We followed the pizza dough instructions, which are completely different. The Capt'n Cook Oven Plus needs us to preheat the pizza stone before we put the pizza in at 500 degrees for minimum 10 minutes. We're gonna cook it in the pizza stone on top for 2 minutes so it cooks the dough, and then we're gonna switch it to the bottom part for another 2 minutes so it toasts the toppings. So in under 5 minutes we should have a much better butter chicken pizza. I'm gonna check it. Woo! I can tell it's already better.
It looks completely different. Moral of the story, read the instructions.
Oven safe mitt, very important. I'm gonna open up the bottom, 500 degrees hot. So it's been 2 minutes. Looks good. Perfect. Put it in. Close it up.
And if you wanted to, you can also bake a second pizza on the top while you're making the toppings crispy on the bottom. So you can really do two at the same time. You know, first this one, 2 minutes, put it under, next one, 2 minutes, you know, like that.
That's a real pizza, not what we did before. Okay, and that's it. Ta-da!
That looks amazing.
This is a real pizza.
All right, guys, so this is our Indian pizzas. Super spicy chicken curry. Didn't come out like I wanted it to come out.
No, I think for the first time in history, what David cooked came out better than what I cooked.
No, but to be all honest, we just got the product. We're trying it out for the first time. You know, it says to put a lot of flour so it doesn't stick. I guess we didn't put enough, so it's stuck.
Not enough.
Not enough.
But hopefully the taste is there.
Exactly. And yours? I mean, it looks amazing.
Mine looks like a legit pizza. Well, the one you made looks like a legit pizza. But let's roll it up.
Let's
You
do
want
it.
to do it first?
Cut it?
You want to cut that one first?
I don't know. See? 2 big slices here. And this one's super spicy, by the way, guys. I tried this a tiny bit.
I smell the spice.
Ooh, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Do yours?
This is definitely more pizza-like.
This is mine. Let me see yours. Oh man.
Cheers.
Bon appetit. Indian pizza.
Namaste. Oh. Right off the bat, I got a huge piece of butter chicken.
Oh wow.
Good.
Mine's super spicy.
I know.
Mine's like ridiculously spicy.
I smell it from here.
Mmm.
This is pretty good.
Mine straight up tastes like meshed up chicken with curry.
And like, it's like not even a serrano peppers. Like she must have put a lot of spice in the curry itself. Oh, it's good though. Spice.
I wish it came out nicer.
I mean, it's probably the spiciest pizza I've ever had.
Yeah, I'm definitely not eating it. Do you need water?
I'm good. Wait, should we get some basil?
No.
No?
I don't know.
I'm gonna try yours. Is that okay? Butter chicken?
It's so good, right?
Oh, this is the best. Oh, wow.
Good call on the no tomato sauce.
Yeah, because butter chicken is full of tomato.
You don't need it.
Wow.
It almost is like a Hawaiian pizza. You get that perfect sweet and salty mix.
And a little spicy. And the thing is that we didn't make it crispy enough, so the bottom is still a little doughy. I've never had butter chicken pizza.
Me first time for me too. I repeat for sure.
For sure. The spicy one, I don't know if I'll repeat it. It's like overload. I mean, if you guys are like really into spice, like super spicy stuff, you won't have a bite?
No, hell no. Cheese and butter chicken, who knew? It's like a winning combo.
Butter chicken.
I love butter chicken.
So we made our first pizzas on the Oven Plus Salamander Grill. So I think next time we'll try some steaks on the Oven Plus, you know, Salamander Grill. Can't wait to try that. And yeah, I mean, now I have a place to make pizzas. And yeah guys, so hope you love this video. We made Indian pizzas, butter chicken curry pizza, spicy chicken curry pizza. Ooh, on the Capt'n Grill Oven Plus. It's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Well guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. We'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Miami.
Bye.